there's a snail, pouncing and playing without fail. 3 fluffy bunnies, hopping so fast, bouncing through meadows, having a blast. 4 tiny chicks, all yellow and sweet, peeping for breakfast, a chirpy little treat. 5 silly ducks splashing in the pond, quacking together, they're so very fond. 6 fuzzy bears, cuddly and round, rolling and tumbling on soft grassy ground. 7 playful monkeys swinging with glee, laughing and jumping from tree to tree. 8 bright fish swimming in the sea, gliding through water so joyful and free. 9 curious frogs jumping high and low, croaking their songs as they put on